Today's video is for you. We're diving into the 5 best soldering irons that will make your work precise, easy, and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect soldering iron for your needs. Number 5. Weller WE110NA Digital Soldering Station Performance. The Weller WE110NA features a 70-watt soldering iron, providing ample power for most electronic repairs. Its digital temperature control allows you to easily adjust heat settings, ensuring precision with every project. Technology and features. This soldering station uses a smart temperature-controlled system with programmable settings, offering quick heating and stability for consistent soldering. The LED display shows the current temperature, and it's equipped with sleep mode to conserve energy when not in use. Design. The ergonomic design of the Weller WE110NA makes it comfortable for extended use. The soldering iron comes with a soft grip, and the compact station helps keep your workspace tidy. Weight. Weighing just around 2 pounds, it's lightweight and portable for easy storage and handling. Price. Priced around $70 to $90, the WE110NA offers a great value for those seeking performance without breaking the bank. Pros. Precise temperature control. Digital display allows for accurate temperature adjustments. Quick heat up. Heats up rapidly, reducing wait times. Ergonomic handle. Comfortable to use for extended periods. Affordable. Cost-effective compared to similar models with similar features. Cons. Limited temperature range. May not reach very high temperatures for specific tasks. No sleep mode. Lacks automatic sleep mode to preserve tip life. Number 4. X-Tronic Model 320 XTS Performance delivers 75 watts of power, ensuring quick heat up and stable temperature control. Ideal for both hobbyists and professional soldering needs, handling delicate electronics with ease. Technology and features. PID temperature control technology provides accurate temperature adjustments within -2 degrees Celsius. Features an auto cooling function, sleep mode, and an anti-static design for user safety and equipment longevity. Digital LED display for real-time temperature monitoring. Design and weight. Compact and ergonomic, perfect for small workspaces. Lightweight at 2.9 pounds, easy to transport for on-the-go projects. Price. Priced around $70 to $80, offering excellent value compared to premium soldering stations. Pros. Precise temperature control with a digital display. Quick heating and stable temperature for efficient soldering. Durable and ergonomic design with a heat-resistant handle. Affordable price for hobbyists and professionals alike. Cons. Limited temperature range may not suit advanced applications. No auto shutdown feature for added safety. Build quality may not be ideal for heavy-duty or industrial use. Let me know if you need help analyzing or summarizing this. Number 3. Vastar Full Set 60-Watt Soldering Iron Kit. Performance. This 60-watt soldering iron heats up quickly with advanced ceramic core induction technology, delivering consistent performance for both delicate electronics and heavier tasks. The adjustable temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius ensures precision control. Technology and features. Advanced heating element. Ceramic core for fast heating. Temperature dial. Easily adjust heat levels to suit your needs. Complete kit includes 5 soldering tips, a solder wire, desoldering pump, tweezers, and more. Safety enhancements, heat-resistant handle, and an on-off switch for added convenience. Design and weight. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the lightweight build makes it easy to handle intricate work. Price. Priced around $20 to $30, it's an affordable option for hobbyists and professionals. Pros. Comprehensive kit includes a soldering iron, multiple tips, desoldering pump, stand, wire cutter, and more, making it beginner-friendly. Fast heating. High-quality ceramic heater ensures quick temperature rise. Affordable. Budget-friendly option with many accessories. Cons. Build quality. Some components may feel less durable. Temperature stability. Not as precise as high-end models. Number 2. Hakko FX888D-23BY Digital Soldering Station. The Hakko FX888D-23BY delivers consistent and precise temperature control, ideal for a variety of soldering tasks, including electronics repair and prototyping. Its rapid heating ensures minimal downtime, catering to both beginners and professionals. Technology and features. Digital temperature control with an intuitive interface. Wide temperature range, 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 899 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. Ceramic heating element for durability and efficiency. Sleep mode and adjustable temperature presets for energy saving and convenience. Design. Compact and ergonomic design with a vibrant blue and yellow aesthetic. The soldering iron is lightweight and comfortable, ensuring prolonged use without strain. Weight. Station. Approximately 2.6 pounds, 1.2 kilograms. Soldering iron. Lightweight for precision handling. Price. Priced around $100, offering excellent value for its robust features and performance. Pros. Durable build. Long-lasting construction with excellent thermal recovery. Compact design. Small footprint suitable for workbenches with limited space. Versatile. Compatible with a wide range of tips for various soldering tasks. Cons. Learning curve. Digital interface can be confusing for beginners. No standalone power switch, requires unplugging to turn off. Limited features, lacks advanced options like programmable presets. Number 1. Weller WLC100 Soldering Station Performance and Technology. The WLC100 delivers consistent performance with a 40-watt adjustable power output. Its variable temperature control lets you fine-tune the heat from 5 to 40 watts, making it versatile for tasks like PCB work or hobby projects. Designed compact and user-friendly, this station features a cushioned foam grip for comfortable use and a durable aluminum base. The pencil iron's lightweight design minimizes fatigue during long projects. Weight. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, the WLC100 is easy to move around your workspace or carry to job sites. Price. Priced at around $50, this soldering station offers excellent value for hobbyists and beginners without breaking the bank. Pros. Affordable. Offers great value for hobbyists and beginners. Adjustable power. Power range 5 to 40 watts. Allows for control over heat intensity. Compact design. Space-saving and lightweight for easy storage. Cons. Limited temperature control. No precise temperature settings, only adjustable wattage. Basic features. Lacks advanced features like digital readouts or temperature locking. Not ideal for professionals. Less suited for demanding or heavy-duty soldering tasks.